Hey guys, it's Will from Jordan Bikes, and today I've got to sell this absolute stunner. It's a Honda CBR125, right, little Bobby Dazzler. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate. Let's turn it on as well so you can see everything lit up. It's done 2,234 miles. Comes with the seat cowl. Gives it that sportier look, even though it's sporty already. Really nice, clean example is this. Best thing is hearing the noise. Let's get it started. Woohoo! Eh? Wake neighbours with that. Anyway guys, one absolute stunner, really nice. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call. We do finance, we take cash, and we absolutely love a part exchange. Cheers.